Hey guys, so I had this power supply which is a 12 volt 1 ampere power supply, and it was not working, so I decided to take it apart. And to my surprise, so this power management IC got blown out, so you can see the black marks here. And also this capacitor is a bit bulged, as you can see. It's not as flat as this one. This is bulged a little bit, so I think I'm going to replace these parts, so this IC, power IC, and this capacitor. So and then I'm going to check whether the power supply will work or not. I guess it will just fix the issue because there are no other problems with the solder joints. As you can see, all of them are clean, only except for this power IC, which is right here. And I'm suspecting this capacitor as well. It got blown out, like bulged out, sorry. And yeah, I need to clean this as well. There's a lot of dust and everything built up on this circuit board. And as far as the parts go, this is I guess yeah, it's a 400 volt 10 microfarad capacitor, and I got that as well. So let's just unpack this. Yeah, so I got the same ones. So these are pretty good Rubicon capacitors. These are 400 volt 10 microfarad as well. So I'm going to replace this with the already in there ones. So, and this is the IC that I was talking about. So it's a, I just need to open this. Oh, so yeah, so these are the IC. This is the IC. I think my camera has having focus issues. This is really tiny. Yeah, it's a DK1203. It's a power management IC basically. So I'll put the description of this IC on the screen while editing, so you can check that out. So yeah, these two ports are gonna go into this IC. So I removed this IC from its socket, and it was directly soldered. So I had this dual inline package holder, so I'm planning to put that here, and then install the IC on top of it. So that would be neat. So let me try. So I already tried it and bent the pin, so I need to be careful. So I just removed this capacitor, and it has gotten very bad. It has bulged from downside as well, and from upside. So let me just compare it with the new capacitor. So this is Rubicon, which is a well respected brand in terms of capacitors. So just look at it. So this was the old one, and this is the new one. So this is very flat on top, the new one, on bottom as well. Okay, so let's just put it in. And I'll just solder it. Okay, so the parts are in place. So I have also installed this dip holder, and it's not as flat as I was expecting, but it works. And also I have replaced this capacitor now. Well, it's time for testing now. Okay, now this is the testing time. I have connected this leads to AC power outlet, and the output DC has been connected to the multimeter. So now I'm going to turn this circuit on, and to my surprise it is working. So this was a success. So as you can see on the multimeter, you can see that it's showing 12 volts. Actually it's fluctuating because there is a little potentiometer on this circuit. By turning that on and off, I can change the voltage from the range, I guess it is from 9 volts to 14 volts. So yeah, it was a success. And I would like to thank you for watching this video.